Hello everyone, this is Ben Brooks over at Sandy Sensing BMW in Minia, Pensacola. Looks like it is going to be a gorgeous sunset here in sunny Pensacola, Florida. Check out that sky. That is indeed pretty cool. Before night falls, I wanted to highlight one more pre-owned vehicle that we recently received, and this one is a 2017 Mini Cooper S convertible. Let me double check that. That is correct. It's a 17 Mini Cooper S convertible. It is a one owner. It was previously leased from us, so it was sold here, and the owner was a local owner who leased it. They averaged about 10,000 miles a year on this one, and it is the Cooper S, so it has the 2.0 4-cylinder engine. It's an electric blue. It's got the black leatherette seats there. Nice black alloy wheels. Plenty of tread left on these tires here. You can see there. In actuality, we might have replaced those tires when it was traded in to us. So again, it's got the nice LED headlights, got the nice black center racing stripes on it, S badging, and it does have the keyless entry. So as long as you have the key on you, you simply press the button here to open. Of course, that's to lock it. Press it again to unlock it. And another cool thing about these convertibles is that when you have the key on you, you can simply press and hold the lock button to raise and lower the top. I should say to raise the top, you want to press the lock button. In about 20 seconds is all that it takes to raise and secure the convertible top. And it is, of course, a soft top. But another cool, nice feature of this soft top, it does have the glass insert right here. So no worries about that fading or fogging up over the years. Now if we take a look in the boot of this convertible, you see some nifty features. See down there we do have the split 60/40 rear seats, and we can fold those rear seats down by pulling on this tab here, and that's really handy if you have your top down, you're parked in the, say on the beach, you can put your valuables in the rear, and there's no way for anyone to get into that section as long as you lock your boot, because that's the only way to get in is through the back, and they can't fold down those rear seats because again that access point is located in the boot. So your boot actually becomes your vault. So pretty cool. Another feature we have for convenience as far as loading things in and out of the boot, we have this strap here, these handles here, this easy load, and we're able to lift that up. And check that out, that makes it a whole lot easier to be able to get into the boot area, so you're not as far as leaning over. That's pretty cool. So we'll lock those back down here. Lock it down on the other side. And there we have it. The boot of the 2017 Cooper S convertible. Let's take a look on the inside here. What you immediately notice when you open the door is that nice ambient light displaying here in the door area and in the door lock. It's kind of like on that disco effect right now as they cycle through those 10 colors. Really brings out that ambient lighting in the daylight or the nighttime hours. Nice aluminum door sill, letting us again know that this one is indeed the Cooper S. This one does come with a set of all-weather floor mats, power windows, power locks. So let's just see how this one actually performs. Let's go ahead and start her up. Again, as long as we have the key in our hand, or not in our hand but on us, in our pocket or wherever, we can simply press the button here. As long as our foot's on the brake, press and release. No need to hold that start stop button, and instantly it starts up. Now I'm about 6'1", and I tell you that I fit comfortably in this Mini Cooper S convertible. Surprising to many people, they look at the outside and say there is no way that he's going to fit in there, but I tell you, comfortably. I mean, and I got room above my head. Bring the seat down a little bit. Take these shades off and you can see I still have about a fist above my head of clearance, so pretty cool. This one does feature, like I said, you got your ambient lighting in the center instrument area, the neon. Just by pressing this button here, I can change it, cycle through the various colors. And this one does feature a backup camera. So if you recall, in the Mini lineup, the backup camera was not standard equipment until the model year 2018. Prior to that, it was an option. So this one does have the backup camera, dual climate control, heated front seats, and of course it is an automatic. It does have, you're able to shift between sport, mid, or green mode. And of course you got your iDrive, similar to what you'll find in your BMWs, and by simply hitting the menu button there, I can control what I see on the screen. Now this year 17, we didn't have a touch screen as of yet, so to access that, you would use the center knob here. For example, if we want to check on the stats on the Mini, we can pull up our complete owner's manual. That's right. Now that feature only works, of course, if we're in park, not cruising down the highway. Checking out the owner's manual would be a big no-no. We're also able to access our service. We got our state emissions, engine oil check, vehicle check, and brake fluid checks. Easy right there at our fingertips. Now as far as our audio, this one, the features that it has, this one does feature an FM AM radio, and of course you're able to stream music via Bluetooth. Now it does not have nav, but what we do have is the Mini click and drive, and what this allows us, there's a little holster that fits here that you can get as a companion. You're able to slide your cell phone into that, and you're able to use your maps on your cell phone, or you can use it to film that crazy driver up ahead. And of course, if you're not using it, you can fold it easily out of the way. And up here it does have a spot where you can charge your device, a USB charge there. On our steering wheel, cruise control, or pardon me, used to be cruise control over here, but now of course it's audio controls here, and we have our cruise control located on the left. We got this button right here, 88.1 FM.
You're listening to 88.1 FM.
Isn't that pretty cool? We got voice commands. That's right. Although we don't have nav, we got voice commands, so we're easily able to change our radio station, thus keeping our hands on the steering wheel at all times and able to access that. Nice checkerboard pattern here above the dash. And then in our glove box, what do you know? Here's our original window sticker detailing exactly what this car came equipped with. Always a good thing when I'm able to see the owner has saved that window sticker. Shows they really took care of this car. And of course this one does come with the full owner's manual inside there, the window sticker, and 2 keys. So let's go ahead and take it for a drive and see how she handles. I'll be right back. Man, what a nice evening sky we have here in Pensacola. Check that out. All right, so here we are cruising in our 2017 Cooper S convertible in electric blue. Really able to see that ambient lighting that this car offers, that matter of fact most of our Minis have. That's a cool Mini feature. Got the cool blue going on there now. Check that out in our door, down in our feet area. Again, this Mini only has about 31,000 or so miles on it, so super low miles. This is a perfect car for those nice, cool nights. Put the top down, take a ride. And another cool thing about this one, if we don't want to put the top all the way down, we can press the button there. Press and hold that button. Check that out. We're able to just partially open it for a sunroof. That's right. Pretty cool. So we'll pull over right here and we actually put the top down and take a look and see how that handles in the drive. This one does have the LED headlights, which really help at night to put a little bit more light on the highway or the road in front of us. So we'll take a turn up here and pull over and put the top down and see how she looks. Notice the car's not making a noise because we do have that auto start stop where it's activated now. See our tax drop downs are ready. And as we slightly move the steering wheel, it starts instantly back up. Another cool way to cut down on fuel costs and to cut down on pollution. Let's go ahead and pull it up in here. If you're from the Pensacola area, you might remember right over here there's a Honda store. Before this Honda store was here, it was a really nice test area. It's a nice, smooth, curvy pavement where you can really allow your client to put the cars through its paces. Of course, that's gone now. Alrighty, so let's see here. Park. I'm gonna reach up here, press that. All four windows go down, and like I said, it's about 20 seconds is all it takes for that top to go down. Once it locks in place, we get that confirmation tone, and it'll let us know in the middle here in the center stack the retractable top movement is complete. If we do not all the way let our top down on the convertible, we will get a warning indication to let us know. So let's go ahead and cruise around and check out this sunset. That is nice. Awesome, awesome. There it is again. You might have heard it, that auto start stop is activated. But again, like I said, if we move our steering wheel, here it start right up. We got the cool confirmation with the LED lights changing to let us know the engine's powered back on. But again, like I said, folks, it's not a big deal. It's not like if it activates the auto start stop that you got to hesitate to go. Immediately, as soon as you take your foot off the brake and before you press that gas, your car instantly starts back up. So no lag or hesitation on that. We're gonna go ahead and switch it over to sport mode. What a nice driving vehicle. Again, a cool thing about the convertible, if we want to lessen the noise, we can roll up these side windows to give us a little bit of buffer. And another option that's available in the convertibles is you can get that rear wind deflector, and that fits across the rear seats, and that really cuts down on the amount of wind noise, so you can have a decent conversation with your driving partner without yelling. Hear that one more time. My auto start, auto on off will activate. Notice the tack, and there it is. Drops down to ready mode. As soon as we take our foot off the brake, before we can press the gas, it starts back up. Well, folks, I hope you enjoyed this video of this 2017 Mini Cooper S convertible in electric blue. If you have questions about this one, feel free to give me a call. Again, this is Ben Brooks, Sandy Sensing BMW, Mini of Pensacola. I can be reached at 850-723-2870. And thanks again for watching this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know what do you think about this convertible. Have a great evening.